Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Are you tired of slow, unreliable printers that constantly interrupt your workflow and drain your productivity? What if I told you there's a sleek, powerful solution that makes printing a breeze, whether you're working from a home office or managing a bustling small business? Well, get ready, because today we're putting the spotlight on the Canon Color imageCLASS LBP646Cdw Wireless Laser Printer. And trust me, this isn't just another printer. It's a productivity powerhouse designed to revolutionize how you get things done. We're talking professional quality, incredible speed, and features that simply make your life easier. First up, let's talk about what often frustrates us most: speed. The Canon LBP646Cdw is a true champion in this department. Imagine this. You've got an important report due, a colorful presentation for a client, or a stack of invoices that need to go out now. With print speeds of up to 26 pages per minute, in both vibrant color and crisp monochrome, this printer doesn't just keep up, it gets ahead. And that annoying wait for the first page? Gone. With a quick first print time of approximately 10.3 seconds, your documents are ready almost instantly. This means less time staring at a blinking light and more time focusing on what truly matters: your work. For busy professionals and small businesses, this isn't just a convenience. It's a competitive edge, ensuring your deadlines are always met with professional precision. Now, let's talk about convenience and connectivity, because in today's world, tangled wires and complicated setups are simply not an option. The Canon LBP646Cdw boasts an incredibly easy wireless setup that will have you up and running in just a few simple steps. No more wrestling with manuals or troubleshooting network issues. But it gets even better. This printer is a dream for anyone who relies on mobile devices. You can effortlessly print directly from your compatible smartphone or tablet using the free Canon PRINT app, Apple AirPrint, or Mopria print service. Think about it. You're on your couch, you see an email with an attachment you need printed, and boom, it's sent to the printer without you ever having to touch a computer. This freedom and flexibility are game changers, allowing you to print securely and efficiently from virtually anywhere in your home or office, giving you unparalleled control over your documents. And speaking of control and versatility, this printer truly shines with its core capabilities: color, wireless, and duplex printing. This isn't just a black and white workhorse. It delivers stunning, vibrant color that makes presentations pop and marketing materials truly stand out. The wireless functionality, as we mentioned, liberates you from cables, allowing for a clean, uncluttered workspace and flexible placement. But here's the real hero feature for efficiency and cost savings: automatic duplex printing. Yes, this machine prints on both sides of the paper automatically. This isn't just good for the environment. It significantly reduces your paper consumption, saving you money on supplies and making your documents look more professional and compact. Plus, navigating all these amazing features is a breeze thanks to the intuitive 5-inch LCD screen, putting full control right at your fingertips. So, who is the Canon Color imageCLASS LBP646Cdw for? It's for the entrepreneur who needs professional-looking documents without the hassle, the home office warrior demanding speed and reliability, and the small business owner looking to maximize efficiency and minimize costs. This printer isn't just a purchase. It's an investment in your productivity, your professionalism, and your peace of mind. It's built to deliver exceptional results, day in and day out, ensuring you're always operating at your best. If you're ready to upgrade your printing experience and unlock a new level of efficiency, then the Canon LBP646Cdw is absolutely worth considering. Don't let slow, outdated tech hold you back another day. Find the link to this incredible printer in the description below, along with more details and current pricing. Go ahead, reclaim your time, and elevate your work. You deserve it.